Given the choice, should you invest in stocks and shares or bricks and mortar? Let's say you've got £25,000 to invest, and let's first assume you invest this sum in shares for 10 years and the shares grow at an average rate of 7% per annum. After 10 years, your investment would have doubled and be worth £50,000, giving you a net profit of £25,000. Now let's assume that you invest the same £25,000 in property and use this sum as a deposit to buy a property worth £100,000 secured with a £75,000 mortgage, and this property also grows by the same 7% per annum. In this scenario, after 10 years, the property would be worth £200,000, and if you sold it and paid off the mortgage, your net profit would be £100,000 plus the net rental income you will have received for the last 10 years. This simplistic example serves to illustrate how you could leverage your investment to start to create a property portfolio. You may be thinking, that's all well and good, but what if property prices crash? The fact is, the average UK house price has increased in nominal terms over the last 50 years, from £2,507 in 1959 to £162,085 in 2009, and house prices continue to increase. It's the basic economics of supply and demand. Demand for property has always exceeded supply, and this is unlikely to change. This chart further illustrates how property prices have fluctuated over the years, and if your investment strategy is long-term, around 10 to 20 years, you are unlikely to lose money on property. You may be thinking, I would love to be involved in property, but I can't be bothered with the hassle of managing property, dealing with bad tenants, refurbishments, etc. Well, now you don't have to. Investor Holdings have developed a unique strategy designed to help aspiring property tycoons build hands-free and fully managed property portfolios. The process starts by sourcing property for our clients at 20 to 30% below market value. Most of our leads come from our internet portal readycashhomebuyers.co.uk, which attracts sellers who are motivated to sell their property quickly and at discounted rates because of forced sale, divorce, etc. Once we have bought the property, we further add value by professionally refurbishing and converting the property, usually into HMOs, houses in multiple occupation. This not only adds capital value to the property, but also adds extra rooms that can increase the potential rental yields. We now arrange the lettings, usually through our exclusive agreement with a national charity who guarantee the rents. At this point, our mortgage partners, TFC Property Management, arranges a revaluation of the property, which could be up to 40% higher than the original purchase price. If the valuation stacks up, and it usually does, we will remortgage the property and refund the whole or part of your investment. You can now invest in your second property and the process repeats. Sounds too good to be true, doesn't it? Well, it is if you are trying to do this yourself. We are a specialist company with deep insider knowledge and expertise in the property sector, plus commercial connections with lenders who offer us preferred lending rates. We charge modest fees for purchasing and managing your properties long term, and our success is therefore intrinsically linked to your success. Call us now and let us show you how you too could become a property tycoon.